Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. We are excited to have you. We're gearing up for the sweetest holiday of the season, Halloween. We are making a homemade candy bar, a homemade crunchy candy bar with chocolate, some air puff rice, and toasted coconut extract. So come on in, let's do this. It's gonna be fun. Okay, to get started with this recipe, we're going to do 3 cups of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. I'm using vegan chocolate chunks. You can use whatever you like best. And then we're gonna add to that 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. Just kind of help everything move around. And then we're gonna turn this on and let it warm up till everything gets all ooey gooey great. This part of the process takes the longest, so just be patient as the double boiler warms the bowl and gets everything going. Okay, our chocolate is ready for us to add our last 2 ingredients. So to this, we're going to add our oil soluble extract, which is toasted coconut flavor. I really like that flavor. I think it adds a nice roundness to the candy, not just, you know, one sweet note, but it really has a lot of dimension with the coconut, especially it being toasted. And then that's incorporated, we're just gonna add our rice, our crisp rice. And that is 1 cup, 1.5 cups of crisp rice. If you're making candy bars for an army, you can, you know, double this recipe or triple it. It's pretty straightforward. Alrighty, we are ready to put this into our pan to freeze. And this is just a pan lined with parchment paper, and I put a little bit of coconut oil on the bottom. And we're just gonna spread out all of that like ooey gooey goodness so that we can get a nice even candy bar. You could also use a candy bar mold if you wanted to. You can buy them on like Amazon, a candy bar mold. And that will give you those nice uniform bars. So now we're just gonna cut up our candy bars and put them on a serving tray. It's okay if little pieces fall off. Those go to the chef. Anything that falls off gets to go to the chef, so don't get mad at yourself when you do that. Alrighty. And for some of these, we're just gonna break in half, give it more of an organic look since they're breaking already. So we'll just go with that. These go to the chef. And we're gonna just plate these up and serve them for a fun Halloween treat. So here are our toasted coconut crunchy candy bars. They look great, they taste delicious. I already tried them. And it's just a fun Halloween treat to have out on your table. If you've liked this recipe, please hit the like button. Comment down below if there are other candy bars you want us to give a try. And subscribe to our channel. We are posting new fun recipes all the time. You can also follow us on social media at Amoretti on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks again. Happy harvest. Bye.